First off, earlier on Trading Nation, a couple of days ago, David Rosenberg of Gluskin Sheff was on. He warned us about the disconnect that he sees between stocks and bonds. Listen to what he had to say.
I think the bond market is just basically responding to an economy that isn't really showing a whole lot of verve, if anything, disappointing, and inflation data that's coming in on the low side. So I don't think the bond market's telling you an inconsistent story here. I think if you believe what the stock market's telling you, the stock market is telling you that we're going to have a pickup in growth, reacceleration alongside pricing power throughout most of the economy. And I think that really is going to be the part of the story that is got a low odds scenario attached to it as far as I'm concerned.
All right, Tony, your response.
Well, you know, I'm hesitant. While I respect David quite a bit, I'm very hesitant to say that the bond market is quote unquote telling me something. And the reason I say that is the last time it was telling you something was at 362. It was telling you that yields were going to go to 3% and the economy was running too hot. Obviously, that was telling you nothing because it did the opposite. So now with the Citigroup Economic Surprise Index down here, well below -50, when that's happened outside of 2011 when you were in a European debt crisis and facing a fiscal cliff, outside of that period, that's indicated a low in yields. So we're suggesting that the drop in the long end could be stimulative. You should actually get a pickup in economic activity, which favors the more cyclical trades going forward. And I think that's also supported by the yield curve, which, you know, there's this narrative out there, Brian, that the yield curve flattening is, you know, telling you that the economy is closer to recession and that the stock market is in trouble. The history shows the opposite is true.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.